On cloud nine. Definition: extremely happy. He has been on cloud nine ever since she agreed to marry him.
I was on cloud nine.
Well, Peterson's on cloud nine.
Are you literally on cloud nine right now?
I walked around all day on cloud nine because somebody valued me.
Hold your horses. Definition: it is used for telling someone to wait before doing something. Hold your horses, we are almost there, just a little bit further.
Hold your horses, I'm coming.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses, young man. Here in Texas, we pray before we eat.
Whoa there! Just hold your horses.
Hold your horses. I wasn't done.
Fit as a fiddle. Definition: to be very healthy and strong. He was as fit as a fiddle right up to the time he died.
How are you, son?
I'm very well, sir. And yourself?
Oh, I'm fit as a fiddle. It's good to see you.
He didn't die mysteriously. He was 93.
He was fit as a fiddle, Ter.
Doc, how are you? Fit as a fiddle, thank you. I am fit as a fiddle, my dear.
How's the family?
Oh, everyone's fit as a fiddle.
Snowed under. Definition: to have more work than you can deal with. I am absolutely snowed under with work at the moment.
I am very busy. Really, really busy at the moment. Snowed under.
You know what, Jen? I'm snowed under here.
How are you?
I'm snowed under, to be honest, and I've got a headache.
I'm snowed under with riddles.
No, there's no way I can get away now. I am snowed under at work.
You all right? What happened?
Been snowed under.
Take a rain check. Definition: used to say that you will do something in the future, but not now. Care for a drink? I'll take a rain check, thanks.
I'm gonna take a rain check.
I'd like to take you out tonight for a thank you dinner.
Oh, I would love that, but I'm gonna have to take a rain check because Amy and I already have plans.
I would love to, but I'm not dressed for it, so I'll take a rain check.
I'm gonna take a rain check on the champagne, but it was wonderful seeing you.
Pull one's leg. Definition: to tell somebody something that is not true as a joke. Is it really your car, or are you pulling my leg?
What are you talking about?
We're pulling your leg, Grandma.
Well, don't do that.
I'm just pulling your leg.
Maternity leave? Are you pulling my leg? No, I am not.
I guess we'll just take all of them.
All right, boys, I just need your parents' permission. Kidding! I'm just pulling your legs. Come on over to the register.
I think he's pulling your leg.
I'm pretty sure they were pulling your leg.
Going cold turkey. Definition: to suddenly and completely stop doing something, especially a bad habit. I decided to quit smoking and went cold turkey.
So, Frank can go cold turkey, but I can't?
Maybe going cold turkey wasn't the best idea.
I think I'm too old to trick or treat. Next year I'm going cold turkey.
This will force you to go cold turkey.
She's going cold turkey from being bad.
I gave up Diet Coke cold turkey.
Play it by ear. Definition: to do something without special preparation. I don't have a set plan for the weekend. Let's just play it by ear.
Are you coming back tomorrow?
Probably. We'll play it by ear.
So let's just play it by ear, see where the afternoon takes us?
So when are you getting back from Florida?
Oh, I don't know. Play it by ear. Why?
How about we play all that by ear?
Coop, that's a great idea. Why don't we do it this weekend?
Can we just play it by ear?
So what do you plan on doing?
Oh, nothing special. We're just gonna play it by ear, go with the flow.
you have to deal with this, and we can just play tomorrow by ear.
So, you staying in town or you just passing through?
Kind of playing it by ear.
What's our plan?
I think we ought to play it by ear.